Alden Richard update and post ni Alden sa kanyang social media account and during Miss Universe Philippines 2024 The Coronation bilang host si Alden and dami niya na-meet dyan. Ito sabi ni Alden, thrilled to host Miss Universe Philippines again. Congratulations to all candidates and to our new queen, hashtag Miss Universe Philippines 2024. Yan ka nakasama niya dyan mag-host. Yan sila Jenny Mai, Arboni, Team Yap, saka si Gabby Garcia. Ganda pa nga ng outfit ni Alden, nakapagpalit siya dyan. Bali dalawa yung outfit niya. Saka yung ganda ng relo niya, mamahaling Rolex. Saka ang galing mag-host ni Alden Pasigaw pa Kaya nag-trending at nag-viral yun Ito pa yung post ni Nate kasama si Alden and during Miss Universe Philippines 2024. Kaya IG story ni Alden and show niya for Sparkle goes to US and Canada. Yan abangan niya sa August na yan. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell for more update po ang Victoria Reaction Vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.